In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a channel name in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Slack. So open the Slack application or visit the Slack website and enter your workspace details. Once you're signed in, head to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see a list of channels. Click on the specific channel that you want to rename. This gets you directly into the conversation where you can make the changes. Now that you're in the channel, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the Active Channel window. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 dots, also known as the ellipses icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options for you to choose from. In this drop-down, you will need to select the option that says Edit Channel Settings. This will bring up a new window specifically for adjusting the settings of your channel. It's important to follow this step to make sure you're editing the right details for the channel. At the very top of the settings window, you'll find a field labeled Channel Name. Next to it, there's an Edit text link. Click on that to make it active. This is where you'll be able to type in your new channel name. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly represents the focus or theme of the channel, as it will help keep things organized and make it easier for everyone to find what they're looking for. Once you've typed in your new channel name, don't forget to save your changes. To do this, look for a button that says Save Changes and click on it. This will apply your new channel name to the entire workspace, ensuring that everyone who is part of that channel will see the updated name right away. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change a channel name in Slack. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it's incredibly useful for keeping your channels organized and relevant as your team evolves or as the projects in your workspace change. If you're involved in a large workspace with multiple channels, regularly updating channel names can help everyone stay on the same page and maintain clarity about what each channel is for. Plus, it's a small but effective way to foster communication and collaboration within your team. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that making these little adjustments, like renaming channels, can significantly improve your experience using Slack. So take a moment to look at your current channels and see if any names need a refresh. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Your support means a lot. I hope you have a great day and happy slacking.